Hi guys, how are you? Hi, how are you guys? I'm at Kilifi Bay, guys. Today's on Saturday, so warm, nice day. Yeah, just decided to come a little bit to swim. I'm already dressed with my swimming costume, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna manage. Yeah, just have a look here. Let's see. Let's see how I'm dressed, guys. You know, a bikini, guys. I can't manage bikini. This is how I'm dressed, guys. With bikini, I can't manage, just so it's enough. Come, finish, Anne. Come. It's going. Guys, swimming, cooking. Over there, guys. Yeah, he's swimming. The swimming pool is just for him. I'm sure he's enjoying. He's really enjoying, guys. Swimming. He's really enjoying because it's too hot. This is lunchtime. He's really enjoying. I'll jump in also. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Hi guys. Hi, how are you? We're going back to the swimming pool, guys. But it's around, guys. I'm just from swimming. I'm gonna take you around how this place looks like, guys. Okay, this is the same place we are always swimming, guys. Let me take you down to the beach. To the beach, guys. This big beach. Today's there's a lot of guests. That's my man there, guys. This is Africa. Africa. Africa is the best, guys. Look how many people they just enjoy the coast. Living here. Look at this man here. Man is just enjoying. That's cooks to done. Just from Kilifi Bay. How guys, how are you? That is around guys, I'm just from swimming. Same place. We are always swimming guys. Let me take you down to the beach. To the beach guys. Beach. To this there's a lot of guests. That's my man there guys. He's swimming there guys. They just go down there to the beach. I take you down to the beach guys. You see? There's a beach there guys. Beach. I think today we have so many visitors. Tourists guys. Yeah. Let's just go down to the beach guys. Hello, hello. Guys, look at the environment. Look at the environment guys. The place is looking so nice. So beautiful guys. Yes. We're just going down to the beach. This is Kilifi Bay guys. Kilifi Bay is so beautiful place. The view is just wonderful. Just have a look. This is the ocean. We have some tourists there guys, like us. They just seated at the beach bar. Yes, just have a look guys. The place is wonderful. The view is just awesome. Yes, the view is just wonderful. This is the beach bar. People, they are enjoying guys. They are having their good time. They are enjoying guys at the beach bar. They are really having their fun. And those people there guys, those are, I think they are selling. They like selling things to the tourists guys. They just, this is their shop. That's where they market their, yes, that's where they market their stuff guys for tourists to buy. You know, they believe that those things guys, they're gonna be bought to the tourists, for people just come here to visit Kilifi. Let me just take you around guys. The place is just wonderful. Hello. Let me take you around from the other side of the beach. The place is just awesome. The place is so beautiful guys. Yes, this is from the other side of the beach. You see we have people there, they're enjoying their drink. They're just enjoying the breeze from the air, from the beach. Just have a look guys. The place is just wonderful. We have people here selling. They are selling some stuffs to the tourists. This is their shop. This is their shop guys. Yeah, the view is just wonderful. Nice. Look from that end. Look from that end guys. The place is just nice, wonderful. Good breeze. The breeze is just wonderful guys. Holiday in Africa, Kilifi guys. It's just awesome. The weather is wonderful. Nice. Wow. Romantic time. You see guys, this is nice nature, beautiful. Just have a look.
Oh yeah. Look.
What is that? Hi guys, we are still at Kilifi Bay. Look at the monkey there. Look at that monkey up there guys. Look at that monkey. Oh. Well guys, look here guys, we are just at Kilifi. Look, this is the best breed guys from this place. Oh my god, this is just the beach guys. Look, all this is just God's creation. This is God's creation. This is nature guys. Africa guys. And this is Indian Ocean. Imagine, they're all the way from India crossing the sea guys coming over to Africa. This is nothing than God's doing. Just have a look. Look at the environment. Look at the beach. Look at this, all this sea. Guys, this is just nothing than what? Indian Ocean. Look guys, people, they're just strolling around the beach. Nice, stepping on this beautiful white sand. Guys, this is amazing life. Life, it's so sweet. Look guys, look from that side. It's the going down of the sun. The sun is going down, guys. Look, setting, and the sun is just going down. We're gonna go back there at Kilifi Bay, guys. Kilifi Resort. Just look guys, people, they're just swimming in the sea. I can see two people there. These are the couple, I think. White couple, they're just swimming there. They're in the nature. You see them? This is nature. Romantic time. I think they're just enjoying their romantic moment. I saw them. Most of them, guys, they're just from Germany, because I can mark them by speaking their language. Our language called Germany. Guys, this is the doing of the Lord. Look at the sea. Look at the ocean. How it's looking like. Guys, this is so amazing. See you later, guys. Catch you later. Okay? Bye. And God bless you. Yeah? God bless you guys. Bye.